Don't you know that you haunt me? Calling me again, 'cause I'll hold you over again. Over again. And I know that you want me. Lie to me again and you taunt me.
So mga Lods, ito yung mga nag-top 1, 2, 3 dito sa Top Guard Security Training Specialist dito sa Barangay Mayapa, Canlubang, Laguna. To our President of Laguna Top Guard Security Training Specialist, no other than retired Lieutenant Colonel Bugia, sir, and his beautiful wife, Mary Ann, only one, and the two SOs, Bidanya and Quintara, sir, personnel of Top Guard. Today, we gather to celebrate a significant milestone in the journey, one of our own. It is with great pride and admiration that we honor our security guard who has successfully completed their training. To our esteemed graduate, your dedication, perseverance, and hard work have brought you to this momentous occasion. Throughout your training, you have exhibited a commendable commitment to excellence and strong sense of responsibility. As security guards, we play a vital role in ensuring the safety and security of our community. Each day, we face various challenges and obstacles, but it is our unwavering determination and professionalism that enable us to overcome them. Today marks not only the culmination of your training, but also the beginning of a new chapter in your career. As you embark on this next phase, remember the importance of continued learning, adaptability, and integrity. Always uphold the values of honesty, vigilance, and respect as you carry out your duties. Your role as security guard is not just a job. It is a noble responsibility entrusted to you by those you serve. On behalf of everyone gathered here today, I extend my heartfelt congratulations to our graduate. May continue to strive for excellence and make a positive difference in the lives of others. Congratulations and best wishes for a successful and fulfilling career ahead. Once again, thank you and good noon sa inyong lahat and congratulations sa inyong lahat. So, sa nag-top 1 kay SG Maglinte. So, siya ang top 1. So, meron siyang shoes from Victus for our top 1. Anong masabi mo bilang top 1?
Sabi ko lang, maraming salamat kay Major Haji Omar Trelio dahil tinupad niya yung pangako niya na nag-opening kami dito. And maraming salamat po.
Thank you. Anong masabi bilang top 2 this training? Magsihay ka sa family mo dahil makikita ka na sa buong mundo. Thank you. I-greet mo yung family mo na nandito ka, ikaw yung top 3, makikita ka sa buong mundo.
Binabati ko yung pamilya ko. Salamat po sa chance na maging sa sir. Thank you po, sir.
Thank you.
And I know that you want me. Lie to me again and you taunt me over again.
So mga Lods, ito yung mga nag-top 1, 2, 3 dito sa Top Guard Security Training Specialist dito sa Barangay Mayapa, Canlubang, Laguna. Top 1, 2, 3. So sa nag-sponsor ng shows, maraming salamat kay Police Colonel Dennis Lim Artel, Chief RCSU, and kay Mr. Jason Alindog, Pasir Security Agency, Dasmariñas, Cavite. And third is Miss Elina Sulit sa Extreme Security Agency. So sa mga nag-sponsor, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Para sa bagong Pilipinas, mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Life is beautiful. Thank you.